Bratans, I closed my $100,000 short position on Bitcoin, and here I show you also I closed it here with $800 in profit right now. Here you see 5.6 Bitcoin. I closed at 60,930. And what is my plan right now? I tell you exactly why I closed it here. I show you exactly. I closed it. We broke as we expected. We broke here this green line to the downside yesterday, so it perfectly worked out. I took right now profits, and I explain you exactly also why I took profits, because if we are watching here right now on our how it called smart money, dump money, we saw as we broke down here approximately, I took here approximate profit at 60,930, that the smart money, dump money, you see here the red line, this is dump money, right? I hope you see this line. Wait a minute here. The red line is dump money, and it's very low. And if this line is very low, it means that dump money thinks we are going further down. This was the reason for me to take my profits right now, but I tell you exactly my next move, because I opened another position, and I explain you also in a second why. So this is where I took right now profits, right? On the big picture, if we are watching on the daily again here, wait a minute, I watch if I'm recording. Yes, I am recording here. On the big picture, I still very confident that we will see a relief rally, right? That we will see a relief rally, because we broke out of this descending broadening wedge, like you see here right now. It was one fake out, but the second we broke out, and I'm very confident that we will see a break to the upside, further break to the upside, because you see here, if we're watching smart money, dump money here, dump money thinks we are going further down in the big picture, but this what usually not happens historically, because if here, like here, you see dump money thought we are going down, what happened? We saw a pump, right? So therefore, I'm pretty confident that we will see a relief rally, also based on the past. If we're watching on the big picture, we had here between the all-time high and the bottom 2018, we had exactly 1 year, right? And this what we have also right now, 1 year exactly. I mean, you see November 2021, right now we have December. I mean, this is historically, it's not repeating, but it's similar, but a lot of factors speaking. Also here, I told you also, for everyone who is new to our community here, we see here a huge bullish divergence. You see RSI is going up while the price clearly going down. This is also a second indicator, and there are a lot of more indicators. If you subscribe to this channel, you know it, because I'm speaking a lot of it about it, why I'm thinking that we will see a relief rally, right? If you want me that I speak again about it, please write me down below. But in the immediate short term, what we are doing right now, I am right now, blood, what is this? I am right now, as I saw on the 15-minute, that dump money is thinking that we are further going down. I exit the position, and right now around 17,000 I entered again a short position. Here I show you, this is my short position. My short position I entered at 60,974. It's right now 50k, around 50k, $50,000 in contract size, and I am right now again $106 in profit, 11% in profits, right? So it looks amazing right now, bratans. By the way, if you also want to trade on Bybit, this here where I am trading, bratans, on Bybit you get at the moment $30,030 for free. Link is down below, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel here, where I show you exactly when I'm closing my trades, because it's just faster, right? And here I also wrote you here when we were at 60,938, I told you I'm waiting now for cool down, course 15 minute and 1 hourly. We are heavily oversold, and this what we saw. This was also one reason why I exit the position, because we saw here on the 15-minute we were heavily oversold, right? And then we saw a pump as expected, so perfectly worked out. Right now I entered again a short. But right now, what could happen easily, because we are still here we are oversold right now, but still there's a room to go to the upside, because dump money still thinks that we are dumping. So in my opinion, that means that we will see a little bit more upside right now. I'm in a short, as long as we're not breaking here this green line the job твою мать, this green line to the upside, right? As long as we're not breaking this green line to the upside, for me this is still a short opportunity. If in case we are breaking here this green line to the upside, right? If I see here breakout, I will close my short position, and if we're breaking clear with a clear 15-minute candle here around this area, then I will enter a long position. So approximately if we're breaking 70,100 with a clear 15-minute candle, then I am jumping into a long. Right now it's still a short position, in my opinion, opportunity. What could happen right now, that we are retesting here this green line, and if we are retesting and fail the retest and see further breakdown, then I will even extend my short position, right? So very clear, if we break to the upside, I will close my short and open a long. So right now, like I explained to you, I'm in a clear short position here with $50,000 with 7% in profit right now, right? And why I also think that we are going down, bratans, because another indicator, like I told you, is the dollar, right? The dollar is right now, if you're watching on the daily, what I explained to you also yesterday, we see that the dollar formed here, твою мать, what is this, блядь? If we are watching here, the dollar formed here a very clear W. You see it here. You see double bottom. Therefore, it's not confirmed right now, but it looks like a double bottom. And if the dollar pumps, it means that that Bitcoin will also will dump, because if dollar pumping, usually Bitcoin dumping. If dollar dumping, Bitcoin pumping. This is what usually happens. Also, another indicator is for me S&P 500. And S&P 500 we will see open. You see here right now it's still closed right now. The stock market 9:30. The stock market will open, the US stock market, and you see here right now 3,934. We closed the S&P 500. S&P 500 is leading indicator. Always watch S&P 500 if you're trading crypto, because this is the leading indicator. If S&P 500 pumping, Bitcoin pumping. S&P 500 dumping, Bitcoin dumping. Usually, right? If not, FTX is going to the toilet, blood. So S&P 500 3,934. In the futures we see right now, blood. In the futures we see 3,946. So we see slight pump. However, it means that the stock market 9:30 US time will open with the pump. However, blood, what is this? Job твою мать. Wait a minute. I have to zoom out again. Blood. Yeah, okay. However, bratan, if we are watching here, and this is what I found also very interesting, that we on the, let's watch on the 4-hourly, it's a little bit better, that on the S&P 500 is very interesting, because we have here also this yellow line, you see, and this yellow line is pretty interesting. Why it's interesting? Because, oh, this word pretty interesting. You see here, we get here rejected, we get here rejected, we get here rejected, and we got here rejected. You see, it's very interesting. And not only that we got 4 times rejected, also we broke down here this white line. And what could happen here right now, we could see here consolidation, what we saw, then we could retest this white line again, and then see a further breakdown to the downside. This is a clear indicator for me still that it's still a short opportunity in the immediate short term. In the big picture, I still expecting a pump of Bitcoin and the S&P 500, right? For example, as soon as we're breaking here this yellow line to the upside, right? If we're breaking this yellow line, blood, man. If we break this yellow line to the upside, then it's for me a clear long opportunity, right? Like I told you here, as soon as we broke here this purple line to the upside here, this was a clear long opportunity for Bitcoin, because S&P 500 pumped and Bitcoin pumped. So very clear long opportunity here. If we're breaking here this yellow line to the upside of the S&P 500, then this will be also clear long opportunity for Bitcoin also, because then Bitcoin will pump. However, in the immediate short term, we broke down this white line, which is a clear indicator that we will that Bitcoin will also go down. And right now, like I told you, I'm expecting here, if we are open here, the S&P 500, the RSI, we see right now we are neutral right now. On the 15-minute, we are heavily oversold, so that speaks for some consolidation to the upside. We could see some consolidation or some break to the upside to retest here this. Wait a minute. This white line, to retest this white line, which would also perfectly speak for this, that Bitcoin here, if we're watching on Bitcoin right now. I hope you can follow me right now, bratans. If not, go again back in the video and try to follow me, because this is very important, which also perfectly fits in with my theory that dump money thinks that we are dumping, but no, we are retesting this green line and then see a breakdown to the downside. This is what my plan is. This is what I'm following right now. So if S&P 500 pumping to retest here, S&P 500 back to S&P 500, if S&P 500 will retest here this white line, Bitcoin perfectly will retest this green line, right? So, and if we S&P 500 get rejected here on this, where is it, Blood? Where is S&P 500? If S&P 500 will fail to break through this white line, right, then we will see also Bitcoin fail to break through this green line, right? So in my opinion, this is so obvious. It's not a guarantee, Bratan. Do your own research, but in my opinion, it's so obvious. And okay, if people right now thinking, oh, but what happens if we are breaking here this white line to the upside? In case we are breaking, what is this other line coming from? Oh, blood, wait a minute, I have to delete this line. It's confusing. In case we are breaking above this white line to the upside, right? In case we are breaking here above this white line and this this yellow line, then this will be a clear long opportunity, because then Bitcoin also clearly breaking here above this green line, which I told you I would switch immediately into a long. So all in all, it's very clear. I would lose a little bit on my money, on my short, which is right now open, if we're breaking here this green line to the upside. But it's no problem, because it's what is counting overall, that you're winning more trades than losing, or yes, in general. I hope you understand, right? So very clear in my opinion right now. So I'm in a clear short position right now. It's a very clear short opportunity in my opinion. And if we are watching Ethereum just following Bitcoin, Bratan. So it's a clear also short opportunity for Ethereum if Bitcoin breaking further to downside. The price target for Ethereum, the first, wait a minute, I go on the 4-hourly, it's better. For Ethereum, the price targets are very clear. If Bitcoin breaking further down, then the first price target is 1,176 and the next one would be 1,100, approximately 12% short opportunity if Bitcoin further breaking the downside. If Bitcoin breaking this green line to the upside, 1,287 is next price target, and the second 1,319, 5.5% long opportunity for Ethereum, right? If Bitcoin breaking to the upside. However, like I told you, we are expecting that Bitcoin breaking further down, and my price targets there sorry for that, Bratan, but you know, nice breakfast. So there are three clear price targets. So first price target would be here around 1,778. The next one is 1,605. The next one is 1,622. The next one is 1,508. 15,873. So 6.5% short opportunity. This is a clear short opportunity in my opinion, if Bitcoin not breaking this green line to the upside. So it's a clear short opportunity. In the big picture, it's still, in my opinion, a clear relief rally ahead in the midterm, as long as we're not breaking here again in our descending broadening wedge on the big picture. This is very important. So the big what is this, blood? The big zone which we are watching for, we shouldn't break here this line at 15,200. So if we are going even down to 15,200 to retest this line and then see bounce, it's still very healthy. But if we are not breaking up, if we are breaking further down to the downside, then this is a clear short opportunity, even bigger, because then I'm expecting Bitcoin even to go here to around 7,000, 7,400, right? So very clear in my opinion, Bratan. Right now it's a short opportunity, as long as as long as we're not breaking above this green line to the upside, right? Don't forget on Bybit, here I'm right now in a short. Do your own research, it's not a financial advice. On Bybit you get $30,000 for free, and if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, where you get the newest news, where you get my entry position, and where you get here a shortcut from my videos, right? So very clear in my opinion, Bratan. I hope I could help you for an orientation. It's not a financial advice. I'm only showing what I'm doing. My $500,000 trade perfectly worked out. My $100,000 trade perfectly worked out. Right now I'm in a short of $50,000 again, and I'm watching for either to add to my position if we are further breaking down, or if we get rejected on this green line. If we are breaking this green line to the upside, I will close my short and open a long. Do your own research, not a financial advice. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.